Ka Jylla Meghalaya lasai gasngi arfoi trek kulalengkot arjar arfuar kan rakhi jingdap san pos nem jongka ber Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ka penpau bakadan hok donongrim bani kemen lang ber paiba nung snong ke Jylla mer balakhai ke Jylla bapura haka por balong menteri rang badu ke India ka Indira Kandi ka badai na kaseng Congress kong amperin lengdo MLA ke Congress na East Shillong baka badai ru konong ilam ke Congress Legislature Party ha bakran la kilat pathai ke bor kalau ang badai leng ba ke khi ki paiba ke Jylla baleng ba ke jengkur khu kerdo ke Indira Kandi haus nem kakhnai spanya fuar bahak arfoi trek kulalengkot ke Jylla Meghalaya klayo ik Jylla bapura tak baong ba Kongres klale shibun ki pynroi hak jingïaid lynti ke Jylla syek jingdap san pos nem beladon bongot ki menteri rangba ke Jylla ki blaktei ben kentiu ke Jylla kong amperin kala penpau bakim dai ben klet yu menteri rangba ben kong ke Jylla ulit Kapten Williamson sangma ulit Pernu e sangma Dr. Dili Lapang Salseng Simarak ba Chidi Rambai ba kumcu Dr. Mukul sangma.
The Golden Jubilee celebration of the state of Meghalaya, because as we remember clearly, it was with the cooperation and blessings of late Indira Gandhi ji that the state of Meghalaya came into existence in 1972. The slogan of the then statehood movement was rare and unique, where the people of Meghalaya fought the non-violent way in order to protest and to demand for the state befitting for the people of the state of Meghalaya. It is through the blessings of the Congress that this state was carved out of the state of the erstwhile undivided Assam. We have had so many chief ministers who have built brick by brick the state to what you see it today. To name a few, the founder chief minister, late Williamson A. Sangma, he was there in the helm of affairs for a good number of years, and it was through his initiation that several development programs and projects were delivered and brought to the people of the state of Meghalaya. We cannot also forget the contributions of late P.A. Sangma, the contributions of Ba D.D. Lapang, the contributions of Ba S.C. Marak, Ba J.D. Rambai, Dr. Mukul Sangma. These are all leaders of the Indian National Congress. And in all of the 50 years of the existence of the state of Meghalaya, 35 years, 317 days of good governance was delivered to the people of the state of Meghalaya through the Indian National Congress. Some of the big institutions that need to be mentioned at the juncture before we celebrate our 50 years of statehood is the setting up of the NEC headquarters in Shillong, the setting up of the Northeastern Hill University campus in Shillong, the initiation of the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences, or NEGRIMS, in Shillong. The leaders of the Congress party also ensured that Meghalaya was able to further build on the first ever power project at Sonapani in those years. We must remember that it is the Indian National Congress that has seen it fit to further bring good governance to the doorsteps of the people by initiating the various districts, subdivisions, and blocks throughout the last 50 years. Today, we can see that Meghalaya, by and large, has been able to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya, and we, as a party, extend our warm wishes to all the citizens of our state on the achievement that we have made together, marking its 50th year of existence. If you look down the line, it was the Congress party that initiated welfare projects in various sectors of governance. If you look at the MHIS card, it was engineered by the Congress party for the people of the state. It is the Congress party that has recognized the autonomous district councils and has strengthened these councils through the years, giving power to the people to exist under the umbrella of the sixth schedule. In fact, late Rajiv Gandhi further instituted a provision that these district councils, autonomous district councils, should never be eradicated or removed from our systems, even though the Panchayati Raj system was put into play. It is the Congress party that has brought out the various road projects. If you see and compare the state of Meghalaya with other states, especially our neighboring states, major road and communication projects were all initiated during the tenure of the Congress party along with its coalition partners. When you look at the education system in the state of Meghalaya, we have benefited largely from all of the plans and policies of the Congress government in the center, and today we have a school in every nook and corner of the state of Meghalaya. We have LP schools almost under every 2 kilometers. We have UP schools under the distances of a minimum of 10 to 15 kilometers. We have high schools, we have secondary schools. These are all to be credited to the great party called the Indian National Congress. Therefore, we are proud to join hands with the people of the state to celebrate this great achievement, and we as a party assure the people of Meghalaya that we will continue to serve you. We will continue to be there to initiate projects that will be pro-people and people-friendly. We are now in an era of great political turmoil. We have seen that in the last 5 years for the Congress party in the state of Meghalaya, it has not been an easy journey. We do not want to ignore that fact, but we want to reassure the people that as the Indian democracy matures, the Congress party will also mature accordingly. The state of Meghalaya is at the threshold of yet another general election. 2023 will be an election of major political push and pull. But we, the Congress party, will stand tall and will, to the furthest extent possible, deliver a governance to the people befitting of citizens of this state. We feel that along with the government, we too should take credit for all of the good things that have happened in the state of Meghalaya in all sectors. As we undergo this pandemic, which has threatened livelihoods, threatened life itself, threatened medical opportunity for all sectors of the people, the Congress party will come out with a befitting manifesto to handhold the public, to ensure that the public are given the correct impetus to start afresh, to pick up from where they have been shaken by this pandemic. We will also ensure that the Congress party in the state of Meghalaya will look at all the requirements which today are threatening the existence and survival of families. Price rise is a major concern of the people of the state of Meghalaya. We have also seen the increasing rise of prices of petroleum, diesel and other petroleum and diesel products. We have seen that today good health, adequate health for the people of the state of Meghalaya has become a far dream. We know that several of the policies that were brought forward for the people of the state of Meghalaya by the Indian National Congress have been hijacked. We have seen how farmers are suffering. We will create spaces. We will create good opportunities for all these sectors. The Congress party has always remained stable. We have always said that if the mandate of the public is fragmented and if we were never given an opportunity to form government despite having the single largest numbers of MLAs of 21, but we assure the public, come 2023, we will try our best to perform to the best of our capacities. We will try our best to reach out to the public in every nook and corner of this beautiful state. We are aware of the issues that are before us. We are aware of the issues of the ban of coal and its implication on livelihoods of the people of Jylla Hills, West Khasi Hills particularly. We are aware of the fact that development in the road sector has come to a very dangerous standstill. The Congress, in the previous years of its service to the people of the state, has ensured that every road reaches to the last mile, to the last village, in the furthest corner of the state. We will continue to plan along these lines, and we will continue to assure the people of the state of Meghalaya that the Congress party is harnessing itself to continue its service to the people, irrespective of all of the distractions that we have seen unfold before us in the last 4 years. With these few words, on behalf of the Congress party, on behalf of the CLP, on behalf of the PP, of the district councils in the state, I wish the people of the state of Meghalaya a peaceful, a joyous, and a very fruitful statehood celebration against all odds, despite the pandemics and the applied SOPs. Please celebrate in your homes. Please burn one candle for your state on this day so that we may all remember that Meghalaya will shine and continue to shine.